Aloha and welcome to The Solution, where we build and test a variety of practical solar devices for everyday use. In this episode, we foam and enclose the second pontoon. Before foaming each one of these watertight bulkhead chambers, I lay down another layer of overlapping 1708 material. This brings it up to 3 layers on the sides and 6 layers on the bottom. Break up enough styrofoam to fill your chamber and get a can of expanding spray foam ready. Continue on, reinforcing each chamber with fiberglass and then filling it with foam. The front and rear of each pontoon has a little sacrificial bulkhead that is filled with just foam. As each chamber is filled, I use a saw to trim it down so that it's flush to the surface that I want to cover. Polyester resin will melt the foam, so I make pieces of fiberglass that will fit the top of the bulkheads, and then once they're dry, I sand them into shape before covering the entire thing with fresh 1708 and resin. This way the foam in the bulkheads won't melt and you end up with a nice durable top to the pontoons. And the process continues until you finish the entire pontoon. Filling, trimming, making the tops, covering over the pontoon.